Alright, so we're going to be replanting some of these, put them in bigger pots. So I'm going to start with these medium pots and then do the bigger ones and then go to the small ones. But I got a little GoPro set up there, so I'll have to hold this and do this the whole time, but just wanted to do a quick intro on it. Alrighty, so we're going to pull this one out that I just laid up against the wall and let it root on the side. There you go. Let me get this in a big pot. I'm gonna put it in that pot. Alright, so we were able to get 26 replanted today. Lots of bigger pots should stimulate some growth. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just pull them out. I usually put about half a pot of dirt in it, put them on top, and then put soil on top. But you can pretty much do your own method. But this is what we're working with. So 26 new ones planted today. A couple big ones over there. Gonna move them all over here where I can keep them watered. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Alright, so this is roughly 17 days after repotting these, and yeah, they're doing good. I think this table got a lot more of the repots, but see, everything's doing pretty good out here. Alright, thanks for tuning in, and subscribe for updates. Keep you posted on how these things are doing throughout the year. There's about 7 species out here right now that I know of, and we're gonna start identifying them soon. So I'm gonna start marking the yellow ones. A lot of the light pinks are already marked. So, but thanks for tuning in, everyone.